Hi lads, in this video I'm going to go through how to do the activities from page 43 of your book. The activities I've given you to do are 5.21 and 5.22. So 5.21 is telling us to construct a tangent to the given circle from point P. Identify the point of contact between the tangent and the circle. So for this question you can see it's a bit different from the previous ones where we would have been given a point on the actual circle and all we had to do was connect that point to the centre, giving us our normal and drawing a 90-degree line for our tangent. This time the point is outside the circle, so the method is going to be different from what we've learned before. So to actually do this, what you need to do is first of all connect point P to your centre. So join the two together, just like we would have in the previous ones. This point's on the outside. So what we want to do then is, we want to get our compass and bisect that line. Take a distance greater than halfway, swing an arc above and below, keeping the same length and go on the opposite side and swing an arc above and below. Just to go over this one again, didn't reach it, and that's it there. What you need to do then is connect the 2 points together. So what you've drawn is now a line that's going perpendicular to that. And that in turn has actually bisected that line to two equal parts. Then go take the distance halfway on your compass, so that distance there, and you're going to swing an arc around. And you're going to swing an arc around until it actually hits the circle at this point here. That point there is the actual point of contact where the tangent hits it. So you can then do is go from point P and draw a line through there, and that gives you your tangent. Also there's going to be a second tangent in the question. Even though it says construct a tangent, there's actually two. If you keep that distance on your compass and swing an arc around below, basically drawing a full circle, this point here is also a tangent. We can go from point P and connect it through like that, and that'll give us our point of contact here and the one we already had from above. That's how to draw a tangent to a point outside a circle. Make sure with the video I've uploaded as well to put in your notes and constructions there as well to remind you how to do it. Then for activity 5.22, it's actually putting into practice what we've learned here. So it tells us the My Taxi logo incorporates circles and tangents. Complete the given portion of the logo by constructing tangents to the circles from points P1 and P2. Use colour to enhance the completed drawing. So for this activity we have two circles and we have 2 points. Point P2 is going to be connecting as a tangent to this circle here, and point P1 is going to be connecting as a tangent to this circle here. So I'm going to start off with P1. So the first thing to do is connect P1 to the centre, and that happens to pass through P2 as well, and you're going to bisect the line from the centre to P1. So take a distance once again greater than halfway and swing an arc each side of that line. And they'll connect at that point there. Same idea again as last time. Take that distance on your compass, the halfway point, and swing an arc. Take your circle there, and swing an arc, take your circle there. You can, if you want, extend it around the rest of the way, it doesn't really matter. I'm just extending only to hit the actual circle there so I know where it stops. What I can do then is I can connect that point there and that point there. There's my point of contact there and there. And then for the next one, we can do the exact same thing again. This time we're going from P2 to my centre. So take a distance greater than halfway swing an arc each side, go to P2, swing an arc each side, join that line there to there, and then taking that distance in your compass, swing an arc each side to hit your circle, and then connect your points together once again. It also shows you in the question that these lines here are running parallel. They're both running the same direction. So another way you could have done it was, if you wanted to speed up the question, if I just did it this way just for practice and repeating the process over and over again to get used to it, you could just, for example, take your tangent line. There's your 90-degree edge. You know that your normal is always 90 degrees to your tangent. You could have went from the center of your circle here, drawn your normal out, and that would have given you your point of contact there. And done the same from the opposite side. These two lines are going to be parallel. You see there, both parallel. And if you went through your center here, you would have got your normal there too. Just another way to actually speed up the question. But I just wanted to get you used to actually repeating the process over and over again from what we learned over here. Hope that video helps.